Dang, don't worry. Label your diagram. So again, it's a rectangle, so I know that all of these segments are congruent to each other. A to E is going to be x squared, so here we go, x squared minus 1. And B to D, so draw a whole big bracket, 8x minus 8. Now you probably set those two things equal to each other, but it doesn't really make sense to set just this segment equal to this segment. In a rectangle, think about what we know. We know that all of the diagonals, all the parts of the diagonal, excuse me, are the same length because diagonals are congruent and diagonals bisect each other. So we can actually set x squared minus 1 equal to just this segment right here. So what I want you to do is think about if the whole segment is 8x minus 8, what is this part of this segment going to be? You can set that right there, and then remember, get it equal to 0 and factor. And we're looking for the length, in case you're wondering, we're looking for the length of AC. So be careful with that too. All right, try it again.